Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am making a breakfast smoothie with banana, oats and other healthy ingredients. So stay tuned and enjoy. That's one sliced frozen banana, 2 tablespoons of oats, rolled oats, two tablespoons of Greek yogurt, milk 250 ml, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of honey, So I made a very short video of me unboxing the new blender 2, which is the blender I used in this video. You can check that, link will be in the description. I'm also going to put it up there so you can check it out. I'm adding some granola to my smoothie. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and check out the quick review I did, the unboxing video I did about the new blender 2. The link is in the description and it's also linked to this video, so check up there. Thank you.